Day 15, New Life Chapters. The inspiration for today is New Chapters of Your Life creative exercise. So step 1, you will choose a possible title for the book of your life. Step 2, you will create a cover on Canva. Step 3, you are going to print it and make a mock-up like this. You know what a mock-up is? You're going to print it and pick up a book that you already have. Print it like this. And you pick up a book and you use it as the mock-up of this book. And voila! Nice guy, huh? This is going to be the book of your life. No, when I met Bradley, I printed the mock-up of my book. The name was X things, and I was going to decide later how many things, like 3, 10, to do during the lockdown when you were bored. And then I wrote, and the book changed, of course. Oh, and I make them a yellow mock-up, and I put around the book. So when I finished the book, like a week, 10 days later, it became this book. So don't think about it as something that is going to be set in stone. No, it's going to change and evolve. So don't think too much. Don't overthink about it. Don't spend more than 5-10 minutes thinking about this. This is supposed to be fun, joyful, not a silly thing that's going to take forever and it's not going to be ready. So we're going to print it. Doesn't matter, it can be black or white, or Miss 65 doesn't have a printer. You can go to a place where they can print it for you, and you will put on a book, and you're going to look at it and imagine, this is my book to be. So choose a title, make a cover, I'm going to teach in another video, and put in a book that you already have at home. Step 4, that's really important. Before sleeping, you're going to close your eyes and visualize the mailman ringing the doorbell to deliver a box. When you open the box, it's full of your new book. Imagine it with every little detail. Earth is a school for mastering how to manipulate your creative energy. The subconscious mind is a creative powerhouse. It brings us to achieve spiritual bliss and creation. It works 24/7 and keeps creating even when we sleep. It helps to digest our emotions, our thoughts. So during this challenge, new chapters of your life are going to be created, and it's going to unfold in front of you. Your creativity will be unleashed. Have you already noticed any momentum being created since the beginning of the challenge? Did you see any patterns in the post-it of the other day, of the license of your life? This could be the core message, the theme, the subject, your book matter. So today's task is to put the wheel in motion. You are going to choose a title, you are going to make a cover, you are going to put it, and you are going to get unstuck. And please don't take more than 10 minutes to do that. It's not supposed to be difficult, but fun. Make it easy, sweet, short, and it's not definitive. So you can just do it and move on. And if you need some more extra inspiration, check in the email announcement. There are some possible titles there. That's it. So if you don't have a Canva, please make your Canva account, and I'm going to teach you in another video.